biggest Apple store I've ever seen. So it's not Beverly Hills. We are somewhere nearby. Good morning, guys. In today's episode we are in LA, California, in the United States of America. Right now I'm in Hollywood, and here we start this amazing trip around the United States of America. So well, welcome to this amazing city. We're going now to downtown LA, so I'm going to show you how it looks. First we're gonna take a tube. So this is the metro station, and these are my friends from Poland. Famous Wojtek, nickname Bison. Famous camera operator Dominika from Poland, but she lives in England, in London. We're gonna buy the tickets to take a subway. So this is what the metro looks like in LA, because sometimes people don't even know that there is metro in Los Angeles, so that's why I'm showing you the map. Actually, you have a few lines. It's pretty big considering that it's a large city. This is the main metro and train station in LA, which is quite famous. A couple of popular movies, for example with Leonardo DiCaprio, were recorded here. Very interesting architecture. Wojtek, what are your first impressions of LA?
Amazing weather, a lot of homeless people. Yeah, so basically that's my first impression.
Thank you very much for this interesting interview. Well, I thought actually that it was a church. It looks like a church. Most definitely this place has a unique architecture. It's just the main train and bus station in Los Angeles. It's quite popular. So what are we gonna do next from here? We're gonna, I think, maybe take a short walk around this area, and next we're going to go to Beverly Hills. Oh, this is my sister Dominika. Before I said that I was here with my friends. Dominika actually is not only my friend but also my sister, right? Is that true or not?
That is true.
Or it's not true? And this is the outdoor area right in front of this train station. We have one observation. So we feel like the city is actually not very crowded. There are not many people around, which is like the most surprising fact, because we were expecting lots of people everywhere in a city like Los Angeles. So this is the city hall, La Plaza. Looks like an international plaza, because here you have the building with the flag of the United States, but the name sounds really German. Brunswick building. Here on the left side you have Pico House, which is one of the oldest buildings in this city. Hablan español. Yeah, it looks like they speak Spanish here. Actually, a lot of people speak Spanish in this city. The lights for pedestrians are quite confusing in this city if you're here for the first time. So as you see, here you have how many seconds are left to cross the street. Then you have this hand that shows stop. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video. I hope you can. And in the background, this is the downtown of LA, which is not the area that attracts lots of tourists. It's not like the most beautiful area of the city. However, we came here to visit. How many lines do you have here? As you see, a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side. Actually, this city is densely populated and there is a lot of traffic, but there are not lots of people on the streets, at least in this area. We will see in other areas. So Wojtek is saying that he loves the vibe of this city because it reminds him the game GTA. We should be walking like those characters of the game GTA. Because maybe some of you don't know, but the city in GTA that is called Los Santos is the replica of Los Angeles. Actually, Wojtek told me a very interesting fact that the people who used to play a lot the computer game Grand Theft Auto, then when they arrived to Los Angeles, they were able to recognize all of these places and walk around the city or drive around the city without using a map. So, just for you to know. This is the nicer part of the city center of LA. Oh, we can see an airplane which is about to land. And this is the entrance of the City Hall building. The flags of the United States. But it looks like it's closed. I think we can't get inside. A helicopter. Police helicopter. They are chasing a thief. This is the dark side of this city. This is the Disney Theater, Disney Concert Hall. Espresso, sounds good, no? We should show some prices. So here we have just coffee and tea. And the prices are in American dollars. Can we afford a coffee? Which is like the normal coffee with milk but cold?
Latte?
And not sweet. I think it's latte, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, or latte. So cold latte is this one, right?
Oh, and this.
So this is our first pit stop today. We're going to have cold coffee in downtown LA. Dominika, what are your first impressions of the city?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful, but you don't seem to be very enthusiastic about it.
It's lots of homeless people.
Wojtek said the same thing. Well, so this is Grand Market. You have lots of different food options here. If you get hungry and you're in the downtown area, you can come here and find different types of food. Let's see. So finally we discovered where all of the people are. It looks like all of them are here eating. That's why the city was not crowded.
I know you wish your best friend, you don't believe me.
Okay folks, we've just arrived to Beverly Hills. We are going first to the Grove, the shopping mall, and there is like the biggest, the fanciest Apple store, because I'm planning to buy a new iPhone to record the better quality videos for you guys. So let's check it out and then we will try to explore the more interesting areas in Beverly Hills. So these are our surroundings. As you can see, there is lots of luxury cars, those tall palms everywhere, and it's quite calm as well. There is not lots of people around. Tomorrow we are planning to go to that hill to see the Hollywood sign, but this is gonna be tomorrow, so this is probably going to be in the next vlog. So Wojtek, do you think we are in Beverly Hills right now?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Oh, this is a beautiful avenue with lots of colorful flowers. Myślisz, że to tu? We wonder if it's here because no, everything is locked. Yeah, the guy showed us that the entrance is on the other side. I'm pretty sure this is our destination. It looks quite fancy from the outside. Cell phone accessories. So probably the Apple store will be somewhere around here. Oh, look, excuse me. Nice, really nice. The fountain with some music. I think this is here, Wojtek. Apple, wow, this is the biggest Apple store I've ever seen. With a huge mirror, going to be hard to choose one. There is a big choice. You can even buy artificial intelligence glasses here. Augmented reality, no, I think. Yeah, it looks like if you guys are into Apple or iPhones, you can literally find everything in this place. You will feel like in paradise if you come here one day. I'm not that tech savvy and crazy about technology, but it's really interesting to come here and visit this place. So he's experiencing augmented reality now. I wonder what he's playing. We feel a little bit lost in this place. It's a really cool place, but there is just too much technology. But I'm pretty sure I will find here what I'm looking for. Look how it looks. And on the other side, is this the Museum of Art?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So where are we right now? You don't know? And I don't know either. So it's not Beverly Hills. We are somewhere nearby. Parc Le Brun. And this is the Museum of Art, and we're gonna see one more thing around here, and then we will probably visit one more place today, and it will be the end of this journey. The first day, of course. The second day we're gonna visit Venice Beach and Santa Monica, because I don't think we will have enough time today. It's gonna get dark like in 1 hour and a half. So stay tuned. Music, Latin music and lots of people there. It looks like an event or something. Outdoor event or a concert. It seems to be like a family event. Lots of families with children. Thousands of people. Latin American music. Salsa. But it doesn't sound like Colombian salsa, it sounds more like Cuban salsa.
Thank you. All right. All right.
We are in Beverly Hills, as you can see, looking at the cars. Welcome to Beverly Hills. So this is probably like the most expensive, the most luxury, the most fancy, the most glamorous area of Los Angeles. Beautiful people, beautiful cars. The best brands like Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton. So So this is what it is. It's getting dark, it's around 8 and 10 p.m. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give me the like button, leave your subscription. If you didn't like this episode, you also hit this like button and give me your subscription, just to be kind, and hopefully I see you in the next episode, which is gonna be awesome, because we're gonna go to Venice Beach and Santa Monica here in LA. So I think it will probably be the best episode from this city. I will see you soon. Cheers.